Good morning. Amy woke us up right around dawn this morning so that we could go see Niagara Falls. We have a early appointment on a boat. What time is it?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. And we're going to get on a boat and go around and behind the falls, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to get a behind the falls look. So this should be exciting. I've never been to Niagara Falls before. I've never been to Canada before, but the view is just breathtaking. I'm glad we got to see it from the Canadian side. It would still be a sight to behold from the American side, but it's just really breathtaking over here. You could see the mist in the sunrise as we were driving down the hill coming down here in the car. It was just really breathtaking in the sunrise. So we got here a little before 7 o'clock this morning. It's just a little after 7 right now, and there's not really anybody here, just a handful of people, so it kind of almost feels like we own the place. It's just majestic and beautiful out here. If you ever get the chance to check out Niagara Falls, you definitely should. So there's a lot of other sort of touristy things to do here at Niagara Falls as well. I don't know how much of that we're going to take in today because we're going to do a really cool boat tour, but I don't know, maybe we'll get to some of it. I'm going to try to find Amy here. She's like a spider monkey when you take her to tourist things. You almost need one of them leashes they put on little kids and stuff.
This was pretty special, wasn't it?
Yes, this was amazing.
Not have to dodge people and just kind of be at one.
No, it's what I was telling the people here. Feels like it's ours.
Special care or assistance in emergency situations, please make yourself known to a crew member. For your own safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold onto the handrail, especially when going up or down stairs or disembarking. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing Niagara City Cruises.
We're ready. Yeah. Sit there and watch. We're hanging over the rail.
We're gonna move in here real quick.
How much I keep saying we can go under it, but they said that's not good.
Here we go. Here we go. Imagine being so cool you can parallel park around here.
Yeah, I can do this. I don't know if I like to see it.
It's like it's all through there. Yeah, all right.
I don't know. You can, but they said no running, walking, and you don't hang out there. You're gonna go down there. You listen.
Right, see ya.
As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is the smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Park and Luna Park. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet or 228 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. In a recent notable waterfall, in 1954, the right section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next was Broadway Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It was located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Park. Both islands were much larger than separated from the American Broadway Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Broadway Falls is 181 meters and remains the smallest waterfall in the with 2 kilometers.
Tried to wipe the lens off there some. I hope I
I
can
know.
see, but this is really cool.
Yes,
You having a good time?
I am. Pretty good way to spend our anniversary, huh? Happy anniversary.
4 years. 4 years.
40 years.
We hear you. It's
is the name of two waterfalls. The American, the Pride of It, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty located between Goat Island and Table Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls name derives from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls in all its natural beauty continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with the Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion in Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world total, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 184 feet or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
absolutely breathtaking, and I just wanted to get on here and say this before we head into that mist, because I don't think you'll be able to see me here in a couple of minutes. Crazy, this is so cool. We are walking to the Behind the Falls tour, so we're going to get wet on this part of the tour as well. But you can see the Horseshoe Falls up here. It's absolutely beautiful. Like every time I think this place won't take my breath away anymore,
It does.
it does. Like you get a different angle
Yeah.
to be down here this close to that, so you can feel the mist coming off of it. It's just like it's breathtaking.
It is.
Really.
It really is.
Yeah. Did it again. So there is more to it than the observation platform that we just saw. Yeah, this is crazy. You feel like you're in a you feel like you're in an earthquake or something.
Yeah, you do.
Oh wow, Amy. You're crazy. That's the actual falls right behind us. We're underneath the falls, looking from behind. It's not blocked.
Yeah.
I can see water falling in the Again, this is another observation window a little farther in to Horseshoe Falls. Really cool to be behind the falls like this. So cool. Well, this is the end, isn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. So this is the Great Falls corridor, which is there. Cataract corridor was the last one we were at, I believe. Very cool.
The sound. Let's take it over the sound.
Yeah, it feels like, I mean, you don't feel like the ground's vibrating necessarily, but the walls, the air, everything around you is just echoing and vibrating.